Hey, thank you so much for completing the previous courses. I hope that you guys are taking the action, and in this entire course, you're going to learn about how to design the website and landing page from the scratch. And you might be thinking like, Abhishek, I don't even know the coding language and I don't even know the technical knowledge also. How can I design the website and landing page from the scratch? And if you're having these kind of thoughts in your mind, remove those thoughts. Why? Because in this entire course, you're going to design your own landing page and website for your own business by just simple drag and drop approach. Okay, you don't need any much coding language and you don't need much technical knowledge also. It just takes your time, energy and attention. Please feel free to contact me if you're having any doubt while approaching this entire course, and moreover, try to complete each and every task which I'm going to assign to you. Why? Because this entire course is one of the high paying skill course, and if somebody want to design a website or landing page for your business, almost people are going to charge 30k to 40k. You are literally saving minimum of 30 to 35,000 rupees by learning this one particular skill. So please take action parallelly, and please feel free to contact me, and also comment below if you're having any doubt. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to explain about what are key topics which I'm going to cover in this entire course. I'm going to give a complete overview on how you need to approach the course also. Okay, and can't wait to see you in the next important video.